Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. This is Miss Jyoti, and today we will continue to solve the book exercise of chapter 1, Introducing Myself, page number 10 in EVS. So, now, children, take out your EVS book, open page number 10, and take out your pencil and eraser and get ready to solve the exercise with me. Children, here is the exercise of page number 10. And yesterday we have done exercise C, and today we will do exercise number D. Okay. Now children, here we come to exercise number D, and let's read the instructions. Use words from the clue box to complete this information about yourself from the day you were born till today. You may take help of your parents. Okay. So children, in this exercise you have to complete the information from the day you were born till today. Okay, and this is the help box. This red box is clue box. You can take help from this box. Okay, and you can also take help from your parents. So now let's start solving this exercise. Number 1. The day I was born, I was very dash. So what will come here? Yes, small. Now write over here small, and the spelling of small is S-M-A-L-L. So write here small, S-M-A-L-L, small. Second, my dash and dash were tiny too. So what will come here? Yes, feet and hands. So write over here feet and hands, and the spelling of feet is F-E-E-T, feet, and hands H-A-N-D-S. Again I repeat. Second one, my feet and hands were tiny too. Okay, children, when you were very small, and then your feet and hands were very tiny. Okay, now children, come to third one. Then slowly I learned to dash and dash. So what will come in these two blanks? Yes, walk and sit. No? So write over here walk, and the spelling of walk is W-A-L-K, and sit S-I-T. Write over here walk, W-A-L-K, walk, and sit S-I-T, sit. Number third, then slowly I learned to walk and sit. Okay, now come to fourth one. And finally I learned to dash on my own. Now again children, let's take help from this clue box and find the word. Yes, stand. No? So that over here stand, and the spelling of stand is S-T-A-N-D, stand. And finally I learned to stand on my own. Fifth, when I was 3 years old, I went to a dash school. Children, when you were 3 years old, in which school you went? Yes, in a play school. Na? So write over here play, and the spelling of play is P-L-A-Y, play school. 6. Now I study in a dash school. Children, when you were 3 years old, you went to play school, and now you are 7 years old, na? Or 6 years old. So in which school you will go now? Yes, in a big school. So what will come here? Big. Now write this word big, and the spelling of big is B-I-G, big. Okay, again I repeat 6-1. Now I study in a dash school, in a big school. 7th, today I can do a lot of things on my own. All this is because of my dash. Children, let's find the word from this red box. Yes, it is parents. So you have to write over here parents, and the spelling of parents is P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Children, today you can do a lot of things on your own. It is because of your parents. Okay, so you should respect your parents because they have taught you many things to do on your own. For example, they have taught you to eat food, to pack your bag, to comb your hair, to tie your shoelaces, to walk, to sit, to dance, to write, everything you have learned from your parents. So you should respect your parents. Okay, and children, we have done this exercise of page number 10. Okay, so that's all for the class today. Have a nice day. Bye children, take care.